I'm Justin Bushko from Concise Engineering. Regulatory compliance in the medical device industry is complex, and when you expand into global markets, that complexity multiplies. Each region has its own rules, expectations, and documentation standards. What works in the United States doesn't necessarily apply in Europe, Asia, or Latin America. The first challenge is navigating different regulatory frameworks. In the US, you're working with the FDA. In Europe, it's the Medical Device Regulation, or MDR. Canada, Japan, Brazil, and others each have their own systems and authorities. Trying to use a one-size-fits-all approach simply doesn't work. Another major challenge is keeping up with changes. Regulations evolve sometimes quickly, and staying compliant means being proactive. MDR, for example, has introduced sweeping changes that have caught many companies off guard. But they keep giving everyone extensions, which will eventually stop and leave the whole market lacking. Language and cultural differences also add complexity. Some countries may even require a country-specific consultant to adhere to cultural norms. Technical documentation may need to be translated. Labeling must meet country-specific requirements. Even communication with local regulators requires cultural sensitivity and strategy. But there are solutions. Start with a global regulatory strategy early in development, understand your target markets, plan for regional differences, and identify overlapping requirements to streamline your process. Next, ensure your quality management system that aligns with ISO 13485 is being implemented properly to create the level of documentation needed for the various countries. This deficiency may lead to woeful issues at the end of the project when you could have just put a few more hours in at the beginning. Simplify your life by making sure these issues are addressed early. Work with local experts or regulatory consultants. Having in-country support can reduce missteps, accelerate approvals, and give you insight into hidden roadblocks. And finally, maintain centralized control over documentation, labeling, and updates. This single step ensures consistency, traceability, and faster response times if issues arise. At Concise Engineering, we help medical device companies build smart, scalable compliance strategies for the global stage. If you're expanding into new markets, let's talk. Schedule a call today and let's build a roadmap that keeps you compliant and competitive worldwide.